What is that? Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. I hold on to these memories because of you. Our love was through. I hold on to these memories because of you. Happy Thursday, guys. So yeah, I hope you're doing well. I haven't been on the vlog in a minute. I haven't vlogged in a while. I've just been, I don't know what I've been doing besides just working. And I put out, you're gonna see actually today, tonight at 6, you're gonna see the vlog for the Amazon wig, which was only $25, and it is so nice. Like, it's one of those highlight wigs. So that's already ready to go. It's already scheduled for tonight at 6 o'clock. And then on Sunday, you are going to see another video for like a viral makeup TikTok or whatever. So I have to finish editing that one. I already put like the volume, not the volume, I already put the, oh my God. I lined up the voice with the camera because I have a separate audio. So I wanted to make sure that got done, that's done. And this week, I'm not sure. I know I'm gonna film my makeup, my perfume haul this week. I don't know what else I'm gonna film besides that this week. I probably will film another hair video. So I think a good schedule for me right now, because what I tend to do is I'll film I'll film 2 videos in one day. It just makes it easier for me. So that's what I've been doing lately. I've just been filming 2 videos and then editing them, and it's just easier. So then the 2 videos that need to be done for the week are just done. And then if I have a bonus video, that's always good, right? So Thursdays and Sundays seems like a good schedule for me, because even if I film on a Saturday, I feel like I'll always be 1 video ahead if I film 2 videos in a week, if that makes any sense. So that's what I'm in the midst of doing now. Yeah, I'm headed into work now, and I hope you guys are doing well. It's Thursday morning, and I feel like I haven't been on the vlog in so long, so I was like, I need to come in and just check in with you guys and see how you're doing. I'm getting gas, which I promised myself I wouldn't do the night before, or I wouldn't do the morning of going to work. I just always feels like it takes forever. I always feel like it takes forever to get gas. I don't know. So I'm going to, I showed you before, and I didn't actually post it in a vlog, so I'll make sure I do that. I think I'm gonna make those salmon patties from, like, they're all over TikTok. I made those like a few weeks ago, and they were so good, but I didn't really show you, so I think I'm gonna do that. And what do you eat with salmon patties? Like, what kind of sauce do you eat with it? I don't know. So I have a truck. I have a Telluride, and my gas usually is full at $35, but I guess gas is going up. Oh, it's $2.80. So now I feel like it's not full at $35. I only fill up my gas tank. I fill up my gas tank like once a week. Halfway through the week, so every 5 days or so, which is not bad because I'm traveling right now. It's taking me like 40 miles to get to work. Not 40, maybe 30 together, like back and forth. But yeah, I didn't mount you on my thing, so I'm going to wait to talk to you guys in a little bit, and I will see you later. Alright guys, I'm about to make salmon cakes using this. I got this off of TikTok, this recipe. I got some breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, eggs, and then there's a mix of like onions and peppers. So I'm about to heat these up in the oven, on the stove with some butter, eggs, salmon patties, and I have a mixing bowl. I'm just putting everything in, so that's gonna be dinner for the night. I'll show you when it's done. Just so I don't have any copyright issues, you have to turn it off. Guys, say hi, Stink.
Hi.
We are doing a game night today, so I am headed there now. I have on like Just a crop top, sweatshirt, and some joggers. And my Michael Kors shoes that I never wore, so this is the first day I'm wearing them out. And then these big, huge sunglasses. They are from Amazon. So I'll put the link below if you guys are interested in them. But I can't wait to show you guys my full outfit because I feel like I look cute. I feel like I could take some pictures today. And Jonathan looks cute. Him and my husband just got haircuts today, so stink. Be nice. So everybody haircut. Did you get a haircut today?
No.
You didn't? I think you did.
No.
Oh, okay. Do you look handsome? Are you handsome?
I am.
You are.
No, I
I am, that's right. So I'll catch you guys later when I am, I guess, when we're there.
am. What
Maybe
time
I'll-
is it, Mommy?
What time is it? It's 2:55. Do you have somewhere to go? Do you have somewhere to go?
I got it.
Oh, he got it? Okay.
I want to eat.
Okay, we can't eat that.
On the side of your bed?
Camera recorder.
That's what it is.
Where's the camera recorder at?
That's what it is, right?
Sony ZV1. Yeah. ZV1.
Wait, ZV1? Okay.
You are too crazy to eat any candy.
Chewing is just cool. You gotta chew it.
Alright, wait.
Alright,
y'all.
y'all
We about
want
to
to
play
eat it or
Beat
y'all
Boozled.
want to like chew the 10 seconds?
I'm not chewing it for 10 seconds.
You have to. It's either you have to eat it or you
Ain't
have
nobody gonna force me to do nothing, y'all. Come on.
Like, how to make your own little game out?
Trust me.
Yo, you trying to make me melt, dog.
Nothing.
I'm not feeling it.
Tutti frutti or stinky socks?
Oh,
I'm sure stinky socks aren't that bad, cause that.
Sticky socks can't be that bad.
What you got?
Stinky socks.
My breath still smells like
Well, according to
Squirrel
it,
milk.
it don't smell. It must be tutti.
There's no
I can
sweetness.
tell if it's tutti frutti or stinky socks.
No, you can
you won't be able to tell. Trust me.
Because I don't smell it.
Yeah.
I don't smell it.
My breath right now still smells like blue cheese from 4 days
Yeah,
ago.
mine go.
Guess it was tutti frutti. It was nasty.
Look, I'm not eating my next one.
The purple.
Can dog.
I'm not eating my next one like that. That wasn't smart. I'm not doing that. Not again. Huh?
Put the whole thing in
I
there.
ate it and swallowed it. Now my breath smells like dirty blue cheese.
No,
Just
dog
chew
food.
it.
I can't tell if it is or not. I'm gonna
Okay.
Alright, Chuck. Go ahead and do your thing, dog. Yes. Hey, both of them, both the arrows, is you going both
No,
sides?
it's
It's more than that.
They don't love the not.
All right. So which one? Oh my god.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Which one is it?
So
though?
you got strawberry or strawberry
The one
banana
with the
smoothie or
less
dead
red.
fish?
No, that's that one.
Yeah, no,
It's the one
that's
with
it's this
the
one right
less
here. It's this one. It's this one right here.
This?
Yeah.
Oh god.
No, you gotta chew it.
It's dead fish.
Yeah,
Careful, careful.
I ain't either. No. There's you gotta chew it. I don't care. If you challenge me, you already know. You already know.
Are you guys able to see me? Guys, I know you're probably like, where have you been? I've been nowhere. Been like busy with work and haven't really been vlogging, but I'm back today. We are about to go out. Enjoy our... We're about to go out and have like March Madness fun. Yeah, I don't even know what to really say. I'm sorry, I'm looking over there because again, the viewfinder is there. It's like portrait mode. I don't know if there's a difference. Do you guys like my hair? Outfit? Got on belt, jeans. I'm not wearing these, don't worry. A brown like teddy coat. Hair is red. I did like, if you guys have seen Aaliyah's face video, she did like these curls where it's like effortless curls. So I just took like a wand curler and did that. And that's what they look like. But I don't want them to be like too neat, but then I don't want them to be too messy. So I'm like torn between the two. But I like, minus the slippers. I can't see anything, let me do it this way. Minus the slippers, I look cute. I mean, with the slippers, I look cute too, but jeans. I obviously won't be wearing these out, even though I love these. Yeah. And my scents. I smell like vanilla and I like, oh my god, this lighting. I smell like vanilla and Love by Cheel. It smells like marshmallow and it lasts forever. It smells so good. This one. Don't worry guys. I'm about to do a perfume haul for you guys. Probably recording that tomorrow, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to talk about, y'all, besides nothing. I mean, hopefully my hair is not looking too thin down here. Like, is it looking okay? I feel like I look really nice in the mirror. You ever see that? Like in the mirror you look really pretty, and then in real life you're like, maybe not as pretty as in the mirror. I don't know, it's a weird thing. But happy Saturday. Hope you're enjoying your day. Hope you're enjoying your time. I'm about to go enjoy mine. I'm about to get the thing for this because my arm is hurting because I don't have it. So we're gonna do that too. And then I guess I'll show you guys when we get to where we're going.
CPR right now, my knees.
Guys, we're trying to take pictures for Instagram. I've never done this before though, so, and we're in the city, so. What about right here? Okay, so. Being on camera. See, I don't mind videoing myself. I don't like that photography was not it just now. So
I tried.
We tried to do
what
it.
About this? You got like mad buildings right here.
I know, babe, but
I'm just not good. That's why.
Yeah, the photographer was not it. Just
babe.
We tried. Maybe next time, babe. Maybe next time. It's okay. It's okay.
You gave me a vlog camera.
Yeah, but you can still take pictures with it.
I'm saying you got mad people out here with these big ass lenses. And
I have that at home, but I didn't know we were coming.
They got sporting events.
You literally didn't even tell me we were coming to New York. I was surprised with coming here, and now, literally, I had no idea we're coming here, but I'm just happy we're here. I love New York. That's cool. Let's turn off this air. Hi, guys. So, hopefully I'm looking okay. I don't have you on my actual stand. I don't know why, I just didn't feel like doing it. I'm on my way to the grocery store because I'm going to make this like Cornish jerk chicken or whatever. Cornish hens jerk chicken. Cornish jerk chicken. I don't know. So you're just gonna drive with me to the store so I can pick up this jerk chicken real quick, and then I have to pick up a little bit of stuff for this week. Oh my god, you guys might be like tipping over because this is wrong, but I'll try my best to get you stable. So I'm on my way to do that right now, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I have to pick up some coffee, iced coffee for this week because I've been tearing it up, so I don't actually have to worry about stopping for coffee in the morning, and I can just drink it on my way to work. And I filmed a video today. I feel so happy. It is beautiful outside. It's 63 degrees today, so if you are in Jersey, it is gorgeous out. Yeah, so I'm just on my way to pick up some stuff for dinner. I'm gonna cook. I'm editing because I just did a perfume video, which I actually really like. Why? For what, lady? Yeah, so I had a phenomenal weekend. It was so much fun. I had so much fun this weekend. and I cannot wait. So I was trying to be like a regular YouTuber, influencer, whatever, and realized that I don't know how to take pictures. So I would like to hire a photographer, and I want somebody to give me like creative direction because I feel like I don't have it. So I would love to have somebody teach me how to do that. That would be great. So yeah, I'm just on my way. We went to New York yesterday, went to the city. It was awesome, had a great time. And when I was trying to take pictures, they came out literally terrible. Like, my husband took pictures. He is not a photographer, clearly. But it was just like, babe, what is that? What is that? What is that? So I just need somebody to help me learn how to pose. And I know there's all this like TikTok stuff and it shows you how to pose, but I feel like I still look ugly in the pictures. And I'm like, I cannot be an influencer and not know how to pose. Like, I gotta learn, right? I'm not even an influencer yet, right? Because I'm not like up there with, I'm not even a mini influencer or micro influencer. I'm not even micro, I don't know what I am, nano. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to post and hopefully get ready to take some more pictures, grow my following, and that's it. I mean, I just want to teach people how to feel good about themselves, honestly. Like makeup, how to smell good, how to do your hair. That's really all I want to do. You should leave my channel feeling good. Like you learned something from my channel. Either you learned a new recipe, you learned a new makeup technique, you learned how to get a flawless face, you learned how to smell good all day, you learned something. That's what I ultimately want. Yeah, that's what I want. That's it. So if I can make an impact in just one person's life, then I guess I would have done my job. That's what I feel about like education for the kids. If I could just make an impact on one child, then I know I would have done my job. So if I could do that for a lot more people, that would be great. Especially moms, like specifically moms, because I know everything that we go through. I feel so, oh, that's why. When my husband drives, he lowers the seat, and I'm so short, so I feel like it's too short for me. And then I had to fix it just now because it's too short. I really have nothing to talk about. I'm a little tired, but I wanted to make sure I filmed a video, and I did. And now I have to edit a vlog, so I don't know if a video will be up tonight because I didn't record last weekend when I should have. So a video will be up definitely Thursday, and then Sunday if I record a vlog, and I'm vlogging this week. And I have to find another time this week to record another video, and I don't know which video I'm going to do yet. So I need to do like 50 ideas for videos or whatever. If you guys like this hair, I can film a hair tutorial on how to get these curls, like effortless looking curls, because that has been a thing that's going on lately. Like wand curls are coming back around, so I literally love this look. But I could definitely record a video on that because it's easy. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Sorry guys, I'll see you. Bye. I feel like, ooh, that lighting hit. Hey. All right, y'all. So you want to see my outfit of the day? That's what I look like. I'm just, because I look like I'm bow-legged, but I'm not. This is my outfit. Should I get closer? Because I feel like this is cute. So this dress is from Forever 21. Shoes, I think DHgate, purse, Amazon, and looks like that. Cute, right? I'll show you guys my outfit later.